Welcome back to the channel. As you already know, I need a welding card ASAP. Why? Because right now when I'm welding, it looks like that. And this is how it looks when I'm not welding. It sits on a stool. This is heavy, the gas tank is super heavy, and it's a pain in the ass to drag it around every time when I want to weld something. I think that this is all that we will need to build it. Square pipes, threaded rod, wheels, nuts, washers, bolts, threaded hooks or whatever you call them, chain, more washers and paint, of course. Oh yeah, and I forgot about the wood. We will need that as well. I was thinking for a long time how do I want it to look, and I've made a little drawing for you guys. Boom, very simple, but I think that this is going to be a very nice looking card. So this is the rear end, wheels, front wheels, this is the place for the gas tank. Here, I don't know, I will probably store some stuff like spray cans, gloves and something like that. Here we will have our welding machine, and here we will probably have a small workbench. These two little fellas are hooks for the mask or something else, and a handle right here. Pretty simple but very useful in my opinion. I think that we will start from the bottom frame, and after welding that we will work our way upwards. So this is how my setup looks. I will measure that length and I will probably add an inch or two to it, and of course we need to know how wide is my welding machine, and probably I will add an inch to it. First measurements are done, and now we know that we need two pieces, which are these right here, 27 inches long, 7 pieces, which are these right here, all of them, because all of the short ones will be the same length. So we need 7 times 8 inches, and we also know that we need 4 of these, 19 inches long. I'm still thinking about the height, so I have time. I will do that after welding the first frame. Okay, let's cut the square pipes. Okay, everything is cut, and we have a first problem because I wanted to use the same magnets as when we were welding the part spinner, but this time the frame is not wide enough and only one magnet fits, so I found another way. As you can see, I used this funny looking clamp and the wood clamp. They probably are not meant for that kind of job, but it works, so we will use them. We have a perfect rectangle here. Of course, I've checked the diagonals and they are perfect. Okay guys, we are ready for first weld, so let's tack it. Okay, we've got the first frame welded, and guys, I was thinking about the height of it and I finally got it. I think that it should be 3 feet tall from the ground. This is how the frame looks now, and we've got our first leg in place. It is leveled from both sides, and now I can use the magnets. So let's weld it. Check this out guys, it's starting to look like something. Okay, so now I have to determine the height of this shelf, and we know that our welding machine is about 13 inches long. So what I did is I divided this length in half, and here we have 15 inches and here we have 15 inches as well. So here we have enough room to fit the welding machine, and here we will have enough room for, I don't know, tools, gloves, spray cans and stuff like that. So this is ready to weld. I will do that now. After that I will weld the other side, and of course these shorties right here. Okay, the frame is almost done. I went ahead and welded the top part because it was basically the same as the middle one. So this is what we got so far. I like it. I really like the way it looks, and it's pretty similar to our drawing. So now we have to determine where to weld this. And to do that, we need the gas tank here. And to put the gas tank here, we need wood. So let's do it like that. Ooh, baby, I love it. Of course, we are missing the top part, but I have a different idea for that, and we will talk about that in a moment. Let's do that first. So now we have to move back on the workbench and put the gas tank on its place. Okay, we got them more or less in place. At first I thought that this height will be a lot too low, and I wanted to weld another bar right here, but look at that, we are over the half of the gas tank, so boom, it's okay. So what I did here, first of all, I had to find the diameter of the gas tank, which is 5.5 inches, and a few minutes ago I had these a lot longer. They were sticking out about an inch or two. Then I had them exactly 5.5 inches long. I didn't like that, and now I have them like that. And check this out, we will weld a nut just like this one here, and the other one will be here, and the gas tank will be secured by this chain. Check this out. Oh man, I love it. Holy crap, perfect. Let's do that. Holy crap, I love it. I had some problems with welding here because I forgot to open the gas tank. That is why it looks like crap, but who cares? I don't. I will probably grind that down later, but check that out! Holy crap, I love it. I found some nice looking bolts, and gosh. Okay, next mission. As you can see, there is nothing here to hold that wood in place. I went through my stuff and I found these. I think that I will weld one in each corner, like that, boom, and two of these here and here. We will do that here, here, and here. Check this out. Holy crap, I love it. I don't know how this happened, but I thought that I have a lot of these and I was short on one, so this one is made by me. I even did the holes in it because I wanted it to match the rest of these. Yes, I know I probably had some kind of a disorder, or a few. I also welded the front wheels because, as you can see, they are a part of that mission. So now I think that we should mount these, and this is going to be an easy mission because we will take that square pipe, we will weld it here. I will cut it a bit, I think, and lucky me, but this threaded rod goes in here without any problems, but it sits in there very tight. So that threaded rod will be our axle for the wheels, and I think that we will mount them like that. I was thinking how far I want this square pipe to stick out, and I cut it like that. This is about 1.5 inch, and I think that it'll be enough. Okay, let's weld it. Check that out. Finally! Of course, later I will have to weld these because, as you can see, they are loose now, so we will do that. But now let's talk about the top part. I have an idea for that. At first I wanted to do the top part exactly the same as this, but I think that this is not wide enough and it's boring. So this is my idea. Boom! There we go. Thicker wood, and it's sticking out here about 2 inches. What gives us a small workbench. That's not all, because I have another idea. Boom, there we go. This one sticks out about 4 inches. What gives us a huge workbench on the top. What do you think about that, guys? Because I was thinking which one to choose, and I think that this one is better. To mount it, we will weld one in each corner, exactly the same as we did over there. We will drill holes, one in each corner, and we will bolt it to the frame. Okay, this is done. So the next mission will be drilling the holes in that piece of wood. But let's say it out loud, my frame is not straight. So I have a brilliant idea. Check this out. I did little spikes out of bolts. We have one in each corner. We will put that piece of wood on them. We will of course find its position, more or less. We will press it down. The spikes will leave marks and we will know where to drill the holes. Okay, the top is ready. I once again use those nice bolts and our welding machine is at home for the first time. And I love it. It looks like it's ready, but guys, we still have a few missions before that. First of all, we need to do something with those cables. And I think that I will weld something here, here, and here to hang these. I also think that I will weld more bars here because we will probably keep some spray cans here. And if I will move it around this place, they will fall down. Another mission will be the handle because I need to grab it to pull it, right? And I was walking around my place and I found this. Don't ask me what that is because I don't know. It looks like a handle, but out of what? I don't know. I just have it. It's a bit too big, but I think that we will do something about that and we will use it anyway. Okay, I think I have an idea for the hangers. I have these big ass bolts and they look quite nice, right? So what I think is I will drill a hole to the other side. I will weld a nut on the other side and we will mount these, putting them through the frame. What do you think about that? I don't like the thread because I think that this will destroy my cables in the future. So look what I found. I found an aluminum pipe. Boom, look at that. But we will have to get rid of that square on that bolt, and that bolt will hide all the way in the pipe. Okay, the welding is done. I did the hangers and I'm really proud of them. I did that last frame off camera. I also cleaned it and prepped for the paint. So let's do that. Okay, it's done. Finally. And I'm extremely happy about the end result. Check this out, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Of course, I polished that pipe that is on that bolt right here because this is shiny and I thought, why not? Now it looks like that. And of course the handle. To mount it, I just drilled the holes through that square pipe, and once again I used that nice looking bolts. At first I didn't know if that handle will look okay on that frame, but now I love it. Okay, so now let's see how it looks with all of the stuff on it. Check that out. I'm speechless. Holy crap. It's perfect. Some of you probably wonder why I didn't do the hanger for the mask. And the answer is very simple. Because it gets super wide with the mask on the side. And this place is super small and I fight for every inch, so that is why I will keep it on the top of it. There we go. Now this corner is clean as never before. Finally. Is it perfectly straight? Are my welds beautiful? Yes. And I still did it. So if I could do it, you can do it as well. Let's see how much did it cost me to build that thing. Okay, let's see. Square pipes around 20 bucks. Wood around 15 bucks. Paint around 5 bucks. Nuts and bolts 5 bucks. Wheels around 10 bucks. And that gives us 55 bucks in total. I had the handle, I had that threaded rod and those angle brackets that we welded under the shelves, so I didn't have to pay for that. I think that we've built a very nice looking cart for a super cheap price. What do you think about that, guys? Now that was exciting, and I thought that I will build it in about 5 hours. Yeah, times 4. I'm extremely happy about the end result because I was thinking about it for a very long time, and I finally have it. Remember, your project won't finish itself. Thank you for today. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you very shortly.